Hi friends, welcome to YouTube channel of Ashok Vidyalaya and Junior College. Today we are going to see the next practical, and that is addition of a memory block. So let's understand what is the problem statement. The problem statement is like this. This is the memory location block. The memory location block contains n number of memory locations. Now how many memory locations to be taken is written in the first memory location D000H. So if it is written 2, it means our program should add the content of memory location 2, 1 and 2, starting with the D001H. It means D001H and D002H numbers will be added and the data will be stored at D500H. And a carry flag will be set, which is, if it is set, it is stored in D501H. Correct? So what is the logic? Let's see. This is accumulator, this is B register, and this is C register. C register is used as a counter. That is, this content of first memory location will be moved to the counter C. Then this memory location counter will be increased, pointer will be increased to the next memory location from where actual block will start. This content, say 3 and 2. So 3 will be taken into the accumulator, right? Then what will be the next? Yes. Is the carry flag set? B is used for checking of the carry. If it is taken to accumulator means it will be added to accumulator. The content of memory location will be added to accumulator and result will be stored into the accumulator. So previously it was 00. So 00 plus the content of D001, that is 03, will be done and addition will be done 00 plus 03 and it will be added and it will be stored in accumulator as 03. Then check is the carry flag is set due to this addition or not. If carry flag is set, it will be stored in the B. If not, then it will be 00. Carry flag will be incremented by 1. If once it is set, counter will be decremented. Let's see the now the program. So initialize accumulator B and C with 00. Set the memory pointer to D000H, that is HL register pair. Move the content of memory location pointed by HL to C because we are using it as the counter. Then increase the HL register pair by 1 because again immediate that counter starts with the next memory location. So D0001 plus 1 is D000, D001H. Then add the content of memory location pointed by HL pair to accumulator. So previously accumulator was 00. Now the content of D001 will be added to accumulator and result will be stored into accumulator. 00 plus 03 will be stored as the in accumulator 03. With this addition, if carry flag is set or not is checked. If carry flag is set, yes, then what will happen? Sorry, this will be no, this should be no, and this should be yes. So if carry flag, sorry, no carry flag, no, this is right. No carry flag, yes, means carry flag is not set. Then don't increase the register by B, directly decrease the counter by 1. If carry flag is set, no carry, no means carry flag is set, then increase the register by 1. So decrement the counter. Is C equal to 0? No. Again go, increase the HL register pair. Again add the content of memory location to A. Check is the carry flag is set or not. If no carry means decrement. If carry flag is set, increase the register by 1. Complete this, execute this loop till both the loops. These are two loops. One loop is outer loop and this is the jump condition. Correct? This is conditional jump. This is also conditional jump. This is above and this is via front ahead. Then store the result to accumulator. Move the content of register B to accumulator because it's a carry. Increase the memory location by 1 and move the carry to next memory location. Let's see the program, right? MVI A comma 00H, B comma 00H, C comma 00H, that is initialization. Then initialize the memory pointer to D000H. Then move C comma M. It means that move the content of memory location whose address is stored in HL to C, that is counter. Then increase INXH, increase the memory pointer by 1. Add M, it means what? Add M, it means add the content of memory location whose address is stored in HL register pair to accumulator and store the result in accumulator. If carry flag is set with this particular instruction, add instruction, then go to carry flag is if J and C, no carry flag is set, then go to ahead. If carry flag is set, then go to next instruction, that is increase B. Increment the register B because we have to count how many times carry flag is set. If no carry flag is set, then go to decrease C, that is keep this increase B. Go to decrement C, counter will be decremented by 1. Check whether that C is 0 or not by checking 0 flag is set or not. If 0 flag is not set, go to the loop, that is increase the memory pointer. So it will come to the next memory location. Again, add M, add the content of memory location whose address is stored in HL to the accumulator. So first addition will be again added by number. So it is the sum. Then check the carry flag. If carry flag is set, increase the B, decrease the C. If C is 0, then don't go to loop, go to store the content of accumulator to D500H. Now, along with this, we want to move the carry flag also. Carry flag is stored in B. So once the result is stored in D500H, move the content of B to A and store the result of accumulator, which is a carry flag, to D50001H, D5018, that is next memory location. So with this, we have stored the result also as well as the carry flag status also. This gives you the practical for addition of a memory block. Thank you.